Okay, once again, I apologize for the disruption or the interruption in the actual filming. If you take a look, cybersecurity doesn't have a way of stopping new hacking technique yet. To alleviate all of the entry entry points of where they can come through, then maybe it would stop. For example, we have called people computers for years, but they're technically not a computer. I am going to point out, where is my phone, my pen? Right here. A couple of different coding issues that I'm having, like I'm running Aurora Healthcare. I'm not there, okay? So let's talk about the body, the controller. We got the model. This HS6RLB is a code. I'm not exactly sure because they had some sort of, let's go here. I'm going to go to, hold on one second. I'm actually going to go to hex RG. RGB is just how the colors. It's for example, 255 is equivalent to white, green, or gold, which they all have. But these particular clients are computers, and each one of these letters represent a specific terminal. For example, like the one I'm sitting on. But these terminals, I'm not exactly sure where they come from. I would actually have to go in and actually decode or decipher exactly where it's coming from or who it's supposed to hold and represent. See, my concern at this point is that everybody wants to play I. Everybody wants to work a phone, a computer, or whatever. But when all actuality, you're not working and I am, and they're using me to hold you now via my email because I've blocked every channel through my phone. So, as you can see, how many clients are being held? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clients. That's a lot of clients. That's a lot of people that are receiving payment for money. And I didn't have Christmas. I don't even have $1 to eat. The little food that I had, they ate up at the house. But everybody wants to call me a crackhead. I'm running, I'm this, I'm that, and I'm not. So now what I'm going to have to do in order sending this information via my emails, because there is a back door. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's simultaneously F4, F8, F11 shift, and then escape, something like that. And then you simultaneously hit them, and then it should pull up the back door of your computer to where you can actually go in and send an email. But the underlying issue of the email would be for me to hold clients or kiosk or computers. If that is the case, and you have to go through all of this hacking in order for me to hold these people, why not just pay me back? Want to do that because you call me dumb. Let's take a look at another one. And if I go into my Outlook, there's so many. So now if you have to come through my email, that means that you shouldn't be getting paid for the job that you're getting paid for. And I shouldn't be starving. So let's take a look at some of the CSS, CQ, Python, Java. We got C, C++. But then the funny thing is I wasn't familiar, I'm familiar with CSS, C++, Java, Python. I'm familiar with those, but I wasn't really familiar with RGB, color values, hex. And then now I'm finding that they're interchangeable, which create binary codes for locations, everything. But again, they're coming through the back door of my emails now because I've cut off every aspect of my phone from them. So if I don't have a computer and I hold on to the emails and I can't delete them, then everybody works it back for my from coming through my HTML. This is an HTML. If you go into Gmail, that's an HTML. If you're going to any complaint, any website, you can go into, I'm just going to say LifeLock. Here, I need to figure out my